What's going on, guys? It's Jalen Lewis with Dynamo Property Services here in Detroit, Michigan. Back at it with another video. And today we have a bit of a storage problem. As you can see, we have this 40-foot shipping container here, and it's pretty much full. Now, we do have a high cube 40-foot shipping container, meaning that it's 9.5 feet tall. So a lot of the stuff is sitting on the ground right now. So I want to get some pallet racking on the left side of the container and put a shelf on it. That way I could put a lot of my parts and stuff on top of the container. So we're going to take the 2023 F350 as well as our tilt trailer here, and we're going to pick up some pallet racking. So see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we are here at the facility. As you can see, they got plenty of pallet racking, wire decks and beams, various sizes, various conditions. So as you can see, these are the uprights. We're gonna get the 42-inch by 8-foot ones. Even though my container is 9.5 feet tall, I might want to sell it in the future, and not everybody has a 9.5-foot shipping container. So I'm gonna keep it at 8 feet because a lot of shipping containers out here are 8.5 feet tall. Here goes the beams. We're gonna get 6 12-footers to make a shelf, and then I'll show you the wire decking over. So here's the wire decking. We're gonna get 9 of these, and that should fulfill our shelf. So as you can see in here, they have pallet racking set up along this whole wall. Let me kind of show you what it looks like. As you can see, they have the 2 uprights, then you have 2 beams, and then you have this wire decking. I'm not gonna put mine this tall. I'm gonna probably put it about halfway. That way I can put stuff underneath and on top. And then of course I could put stuff outside on top of the container. But they don't even have this drilled into the ground. And as you can see, it's holding a lot of weight and it's super stable. Now that I'm here thinking about it, I should have brought some railroad ties or some pallets. That way I can take it off much easier with my pallet forks. But I don't think it should be a problem. All right, these guys were nice enough to lend me some pallets. We just got one on the trailer for now. I might not need the second one. He's gonna grab 4 of the 8-foot uprights back here. Lifting all the way up. It's a good operator right here. Yes, sir. They actually don't look as heavy as I thought, but Let me slide them out a little bit. Yep. Perfect. Okay. All right, I'm gonna measure the beams, make sure they're the right length and width. 6 inch. Hopefully I can get this down here. Ooh, I'm snaking it. Almost there.
Is this 12 feet?
Yep, 12 foot.
12 feet?
I think so. Can you make sure at the end? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, uh-huh. All right, so 6.
You can put your trailer over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to get the, okay, we're going to do it by hand?
Yeah,
okay, yep. Yeah, put it down. Yep. Try to put it on top of there. Yeah. Okay. And I'll put the next one right here.
Okay,
yeah. Cool. I just need the decking.
Yeah.
Yep. Even came out and brought me some water. I was gonna actually go grab them some water, which is funny enough. But I got everything I need. I've got the beams, we got the uprights, and I've got the wire decking. I was just trying to strap them all down. All right, guys, we're all loaded up. I got 2 straps on the beams and the uprights on a pallet, and then I have the wire decking strapped down to the D-rings. So let's go home. I'm gonna unload some of the stuff in our shipping container, and then we'll start putting the stuff together. All right, guys, we're back home. Got the machine with the pallet forks ready to go. Let me show you, take you in the container, show you my plans. So as you can see, we got all this stuff on the ground, all this miscellaneous stuff, you know, the leaf loader and the shovels and the salt. So this whole left side is going to be a shelf. I'm going to be able to put all this stuff on top, as well as majority of the stuff up here as well. And then I can scoop this either forward, or I'm gonna be able to put it underneath the shelf, creating more space. That way I can keep this lane completely open. But yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, we put it all together. It's extremely hot out here, so I couldn't record it, but it only took us about an hour, hour and a half Very simple and easy. As you can see, we put a lot of stuff up on the top, and we have a lot of space to walk through. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. It's been a long time in the making. Finally pulled the trigger on the pallet racking. That's gonna do it for this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure to follow us on the following social medias you see here below. Stay tuned for more.